it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are with Plumpy Boss Keep Up remix featuring Skeng. So Plumpy Boss Keep Up remix featuring Skeng. You don't know, says Skeng or Rep 7. Plumpy Boss done Rep 7. If you don't know, I don't know which way you've been living. So we're going to jump in the one on here with the GDM officer. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
So this is a JAMAICA'S and Trini link up. Let's go.
We give them the place run and they cannot run it. They say, hey, and nice, we all them there, say them.
Big up, Mr. Waki.
So we all them, I say them. We still say we're ready when them ready. So badly. Oh, so badly.
This is going to be grimy. We get in the place for run and them can't run it all now. So what them I say then? We're ready. We're ready when them ready.
So badly.
Waki.
Oh, so
Great
badly.
late, Waki.
Fuck bitch, we love hype, we love floss. Man a bang a chip clock. Pop head, we pop Mali, pop cock. Fuck them bitch while them a run talk. Cause them a baby, lick a rug rats. Big long guns when big
Pull up!
dog a walk.
Yo! Pull up!
Let's go.
We give them the place run and they cannot run it. They say, hey, and nice, we all them there, say them. All them. So we all them, I say them. We still say we're ready when them ready. So badly. Oh, so badly.
Ready now.
Keep up dog.
Yeah.
Fuck bitch, we love hype, we love floss.
Yeah.
Man a bang a chip clock.
Yeah.
Pop head, we pop Mali, pop cock.
Yeah.
Fuck them bitch while them a run talk. Cause them a baby, lick a rug rats.
Where?
Big long guns when big dog a walk. I no TJ, but we up top.
Step on them brawling with no poser. People man kill and no know that. Every man walk with poya. Out and about and my badness lord. In a face stick a boy me we knock 6 round. And no play a ground when I see the killer stay ground.
In a face like a boy, me will knock 6 round.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
No,
Let's go!
that's a shot. That's a shot at the 6 gang. That's a shot at the 6 gang. Nobody's tell me nothing. At 7 the boss a rep. Big up all I 7 them, big up all I 6 them. And music me a rep.
We all them there, say them. All them. So we all them, I say them. We still say we're ready when them ready.
It's bad though. I like that song. Bad.
So badly.
It's bad.
Keep up dog. Fuck bitch, we love hype, we love floss. Man a bang a chip clock. Pop head, we pop Mali, pop cock. Fuck them bitch while them a run talk. Cause them a baby, lick a rug rats.
Whoa.
Big long guns when big dog a walk. I no TJ, but we up
Step
top.
on them brawling with no poser. People man kill and no know that. Every man walk with poya. Out and about and my badness lord. In a face stick a boy me we knock 6 round. And no play a ground when I see the killer stay ground. Do no fuck on, not the gang a pull up in town. 7 to the world presidential compound.
7 to the world presidential compound. But don't tell her why I say already.
Do no fuck on, not the gang a pull up in town. 7 to the world presidential compound.
Real stickers. Bag a razor blade at some team shop. Nah, miss a head top anytime I max.
Bag a razor blade at some team sharp. So the boss I compare him squad to razor. I know how razor sharp. Very sharp. Sharp.
The world presidential compound.
Real stickers. Bag a razor blade at some team shop. Nah, miss a head top anytime I max. Plus every guy we fucking on them off his top class.
Nah, miss a head tab anytime I mark. So I tell you, so anytime I put you on him scope, him nah miss. Every girl them fuck, a top girl them a fuck. Then they pan no batter yes, no.
Plus every guy we fucking on them off his top class.
Top class.
Yo, hoodlum, one word boss. Kill it, them crazy, no blood clot. Fuck around body invasion a start. UFO a circle, pussy no aircraft. Yes, sir.
A UFO a circle, aliens a circle, pussy and a aircraft. No, this is out of this world. Out of this world.
Fuck around body invasion a start. UFO a circle, pussy no aircraft. Yes sir, yes sir. Keep up dog. Fuck bitch, we love hype, we love floss. Man a bang a chip clock. Pop head, we pop Mali, pop cock. Fuck them bitch while them a run talk. Cause them a baby, like a rug rat.
Fuck them bitch while them a rum talk. While them a shop talk and a rum talk, we a fuck them bitch. Cause them a what? Them a little rug rat, them a baby, them not regular for this. Give them some gurgle. Give them some soda.
Man a bang a chip clock. Pop head, we pop Mali, pop cock. Fuck them bitch while them a run talk. Cause them a baby, like a rug rat. Big long guns when big dog a walk. I no TJ, but we up top. Same gang, man, this lifestyle. All the world we run. Team no shaky like no turbulence. We are the chosen one. Might have evolved.
Not shaky like no turbulence. We are the chosen one. He's not talking about turbulence, the artist, the Rasta artist. No. He's not talking about Mr. Notorious. No. He's talking about the real turbulence. When in a plane, the planes get shaky. Yeah.
Long guns when big dog a walk. I no TJ, but we up top. Same gang, man, this lifestyle. All the world we run. Team no shaky like no turbulence. We are the chosen one. Might have evolved, but we no change like no Pokemon. From the fire, let them get it straight and we no do prolong.
Might have evolved, but we not change like no Pokemon. We might have evolved, but we not change. Some tell us them grow up, but them not change, brother. Still the same them, you know?
Might have evolved, but we no change like no Pokemon. From the fire, let them get it straight and we no do prolong. Gunshot kick them back in the days like Rio Ferdinand, wrap up my head.
Gunshot kick them back in the days like Rio Ferdinand, the England international striker from no, not defender from back in the time there. Big up yourself, Rio Ferdinand, legend.
Fire let them get it straight and we no do prolong. Gunshot kick them back in the days like Rio Ferdinand, wrap up my head and smoke a man and roll a weed and settle down. Fully goes over body 15, protect my crown. Bad dogs all around, bad girl all around.
Monday I'm a change up with that in the bad them the bad them send me like the feather. Real hard step out with no waist finds better man I lodge that right in your face ya kappa. All some couple like a boy and a matter back a snapper. Like that me a fly them butter. Them man and I'm not a RG man a shatter. We are rip for Spain and save the gang pan them up.
Keep up dog. Fuck bitch we love hype we love floss. Man a bang a chip clock. Pop head we pop Mali pop cock. Fuck them bitch while them a run talk. Cause them a baby, like a rug rat. Big long guns when big dog a walk. I no TJ, but we up top. Keep up dog, keep up dog, keep up dog. Man a chip clock. Fuck them bitch while them a run talk. Cause them a baby, like a rug rat. Big long guns when big dog a walk.
Buckler. What you say? Yo, Plumpy, big up yourself. That one sound good. Skeng, big up yourself also. It's good to see the G them a link up. But we know what it's all about. It's all about the 7th and the 6th. We are going to Trinidad. The Warrior are going to Trinidad. But Skeng don't pick him side already. So, you don't know, say Skeng now switch. Skeng's erratic gang and 7th. You see me? Yeah. And you don't know, say the 6th boss and the 6th them and you don't know. Yeah, the whole thing we're going already. This brawling though, this bad. This bad. Step on them brawling dog. This bad for real. Trinidad. Proud of no artist, man. I want to reside in the same man. Proud of no artist, man. Artist them bad, man. No artist them over the bad, man. No joke. You see me? Because the production team behind the one, yeah? On both sides. You see me? I think this video was shot in Trinidad. Yeah, I think this was shot in Trinidad anyway. If I'm wrong, put in the comment section. You see me? Beer badness are going over Trinidad, them, man. Alright? But yeah. This is I'm going to leave one still. If you enjoy that one, I want to see some more from either Skeng or Plumpy Boss. Skeng there, so Plumpy Boss there, so or either way around. Click on one of them and watch what I go on. Alright? I'll catch you guys in the next one.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.